Garlic is a versatile and widely used herb that offers numerous potential health benefits when consumed regularly. Here are some of the potential benefits of consuming garlic daily and tips on using it safely. Garlic is known for its potential to help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Allicin, a compound in garlic, may have a positive effect on cardiovascular health. It contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Several studies have shown that garlic is more effective as a broad-spectrum antibiotic than conventional antibiotics. It is rich in minerals like phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Garlic is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6. Garlic has immune-boosting properties and may help the body fight off infections. It's often used as a natural remedy for colds and flu. Garlic can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially providing relief for various inflammatory conditions. It has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can be beneficial for combating infections. Garlic can promote healthy digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Here's how to use garlic safely on a daily basis. Eating raw garlic is the most potent way to benefit from its health properties. You can crush or finely chop a garlic clove and add it to salads, sauces, or spreads with a small amount and increase gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Cooking garlic mellows its flavor while retaining some health benefits. Add minced garlic to your favorite dishes, such as stir-fries, soups, or roasted vegetables. If you cannot tolerate the taste or smell of garlic, you can consider garlic supplements. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before using supplements. Garlic can thin the blood, so if you're on blood-thinning medication, consult your healthcare provider before consuming it regularly. For tropical use, make a spoon juice of garlic or paste. Mix it in canola oil, then use it on scalp for hair growth. It is a best recipe to grow hair if you have thin hair. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or concerns.